In this video we will talk about the most essential brain food that we should have for the well-being of our brain. Every animal you can think of, mammals, birds, reptiles, fish, amphibians, has a brain. But the human brain is unique. Although it's not the largest, it gives us the power to speak, imagine and to solve the problem. It is truly an amazing organ. Let's see in brief what a human brain is. The brain is the most important organ in human body which controls and coordinates actions and reactions, that allows us to think and feel, and enable us to have memories and feelings, all the things that makes us human. While human brain weighs only about 3 pounds, it is a highly complex organ made up of majorly 3 parts. First, cerebrum. Second, cerebellum, and third, the brain system. Also, the human brain is communication system which is composed of neuron cells which are interconnected to communicate message from one point to another in the body. Most of these messages are generated from external stimuli that we experience daily. For example, sound that we hear, lights that we see, heat and touch that we experience, taste that we feel and enjoy while eating our foods. Let's see the most important functions of our brain. Our brain executes the internal processes which are most often involuntary, such as heartbeat, dilation of pupil, involuntary and voluntary contraction of muscles. Brain enables cognitive process like remembering, thinking and solving the problems. Our brain includes sensory database in terms of vision, taste and auditions which are usually interpreted by some millions of neurons. Overall there are around 100 billion neurons in the brain which are responsible for various functions. Now, the question arises, to take care of such a brilliant organ, what food we should eat? Every bite of food you eat is choice that either depletes or nourishes your brain. The wrong foods like sugar and trans fat can leave you feel mentally foggy, while the right food can help you make mentally sharp, positive and productive. Certain foods are particularly high in nutrients needed to create, protect and repair brain cells. Foods that are rich in essential brain nutrients will protect you against the variety of mental disorders now and degenerative brain diseases in years to come. We call these foods as brain foods. Let's see a few brain foods that are essential for us are as follows. Dark chocolates. The whole world loves chocolate. Americans eat 3 billion pounds of it every year. But US consumption lags far behind that of the top chocolate-loving countries like Switzerland, Germany, and Great Britain. We love chocolate not just because of the way it tastes. We love it because of the way it makes us feel. Dark chocolate boosts the production of feel-good chemicals called endorphins. Endorphins bind with opiate receptors in the brain, leading to feelings of euphoria, like the kind joggers get from runner's high. They also reduce pain and diminish the negative effects of stress. Chocolate has been shown to improve depression and anxiety symptoms and help enhance feelings of calmness and contentedness. Both the flavonols and methylxanthines are believed to play a role in chocolate's mood-enhancing effects. Dark chocolate also contains phenylethylamine, a compound called the love drug because it creates a brain buzz like being in love. Dark chocolate boosts mood, protects the brain from damage, improves memory and focus, reduces stress and much more. Now, the next one on the list is turmeric. It's no secret that many of us are always on the move, busy, and often sacrificing sleep and relaxation for more busy work during our days, and after a while this has a negative effect on not just our bodies, but also our brains. However, did you know one of the amazing benefits of turmeric is its ability to help clear away brain fog and have you thinking much more clearly? The root cause of brain fog is oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is where your body's cells oxidize and mutate, or in more common terms, age. This cell aging or mutation is natural as we ourselves age because our bodies can't keep the production of antioxidants up. These oxidative cells are thought to be one of the main causes of Alzheimer's and other neurodegenerative diseases, as well as wrinkles, sunspots, and typical signs of aging, and even premature aging. How does turmeric helps? Turmeric extract, or curcuminoids, helps relieve symptoms of brain fog by combating oxidative stress and providing cleaner connections for brain cells. Turmeric helps fuel your brain. To put it simply, turmeric extract is excellent brain food. This is because curcuminoids increase the bioavailability of DHA, which is an omega-3 fatty acid. Some studies have even shown that turmeric doesn't just increase the bioavailability of DHA, but even boosts the levels of the fatty acid in your brain, helping neural connections thrive. Healthy neurons and neural connections help you act quickly and on the spot, ready to problem solve, remember fine details, and learn new things. Healthy neural connections also help in reducing anxiety, mental fatigue and energy loss. Now, the next one on the list is Egg yolk. Of course, eggs also are loaded with cholesterol, which is what got them banished to the list of bad foods to avoid for the past 50 years or so. A single egg yolk contains 200 milligrams of cholesterol, and for a long time, it was believed that dietary cholesterol was a major contributor to heart disease. But it turns out that's mistaken, much like the persistent myth that skim milk is healthier for you than whole milk. On the nutritional naughty list for years, egg yolks are finally experiencing their well-deserved day in the sun. If you've been eating only egg whites, the yolk is on you. Egg yolks are an important brain food, as they provide nutrients which are essential for proper brain functioning in terms of mental health, nervous system health and cognitive activity. In fact, egg yolks may be one of the most important foods for brain health, as they provide choline, a nutrient which serves multiple integral brain functions and is relatively rare in other foods. The dietary choline has been found to be critical for maintaining brain function as it's converted by the body into acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that enables neurons to communicate with each other, particularly across synapses, and phosphatidylcholine, which in turn becomes a component of neuron membranes, contributing to a healthy brain structure. Earlier research found a direct correlation between levels of choline in the diet and levels of acetylcholine and phosphatidylcholine in the brain. Now, the next one on the list is avocados. It's time to put avocados back on the grocery list. Long deemed too fatty, this green fruit is a goldmine of nutrients that affect brain health. The right nutrients can improve cognitive function, such as memory and concentration. Certain nutrients may also reduce the risk of stroke, which can occur when a clot forms in a blood vessel and blocks blood flow to the brain. Avocados are rich in these nutrients, making them brain food. It's a major food for brain signaling. According to Kansas State University, healthy unsaturated fats in avocados help keep your brain cell membranes flexible. Avocados contain high quantities of monounsaturated fatty acids. A study published in the October 2012 issue of the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology found that monounsaturated fatty acids helped protect nerve cells in the brain known as astrocytes, which provide support to information-carrying nerves. Now, here is the next one on the list. Almonds. Do you remember those exam days when your parents would force you to munch on a few almonds stating it will help improve your memory? All through our lives we've come across talks about how almonds can increase brain power and boost memory. It makes one wonder if it's true or if it's another lingering old wives' tale. Almonds contain a host of healthy nutrients that not only benefits overall health, but is also known to boost specific brain functions. Almonds are moderately rich in lean protein. Protein not only gives you a boost of energy but also helps repair brain cells, thus improving cognitive functions including memory. Almonds also contain the mineral zinc that is known to keep up the functioning of your immune system. Zinc is also an antioxidant that fights the free radicals in your bloodstream. These free radicals are responsible for attacking and breaking down brain cells. In addition to that, almonds are also loaded with nutrients like vitamin B6 which promotes brain health and vitamin E that slows down the aging of brain cells that impact memory. The omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in almonds help increase intellectual levels and the magnesium in them helps strengthen the nerves in the brain. Owing to all these nutrients present in almond, this nut is an effective brain food. Include this nut as your morning snack during your exams and otherwise as well for improved brain power. Now, the next one on the list is walnut. Walnut is perfect package of protein, healthy fats, fiber, plant sterols, antioxidants, and many vitamins and minerals. Eating just 1 ounce of walnuts a day, that's about 7 shelled walnuts, may be all it takes to take advantage of their beneficial properties. They have a significantly high concentration of DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Among other things, DHA has been shown to protect brain health in newborns, improve cognitive performance in adults, and prevent or ameliorate age-related cognitive decline. One study even shows that mothers who get enough DHA have smarter kids. Eating just 1 ounce of walnuts a day, that's about 7 shelled walnuts, may be all it takes to take advantage of their beneficial properties that provides nearly 100% of the recommended daily intake of DHA. Additional research has found that people with walnuts and walnut oil in their diets have lower resting blood pressure as well as lower blood pressure responses to stress in the laboratory. Now, next one on the list is blueberries. The blueberries are sweet, nutritious and wildly popular. Often labeled as superfood, they are low in calories and incredibly good for you. They are so tasty and convenient that many people consider them to be their favorite fruit. Oxidative stress can accelerate the brain's aging process, having negative effects on brain function. According to animal studies, the antioxidants in blueberries tend to accumulate in areas of the brain that are essential for intelligence. They appear to directly interact with aging neurons, leading to improvements in cell signaling. Human studies have also shown promising results. In one of these studies, 15 elderly participants with mild cognitive impairment consumed blueberry juice every day. After 12 weeks, they had seen improvements in several markers of brain function. The riper the berries, the more antioxidant power they contain. To assess the ripeness of the berries, look at the color. Riper berries are a darker blue. The native North American fruit, whether it's consumed fresh, frozen, canned, or as an extract, can deliver 6 brain benefits, from preventing or treating dementia to improving memory. Blueberries boosts concentration and memory. Eating a bowl of blueberries can significantly improve concentration and memory, and the effects can be seen just 5 hours later. A 2009 study, conducted at an American university, found participants who drank a blueberry smoothie in the morning did much better at mental tasks in the mid-afternoon than those who had a different drink. Those who didn't have a blueberry smoothie saw their performance decline by 15 to 20%. British researchers believe the antioxidants in blueberries stimulate the flow of blood and oxygen to the brain, keeping the mind active. Now, here is the next one on the list. Fatty fishes. Fishes has a reputation as a top-notch brain food. It has some outstanding sources of protein which is needed to form mood-boosting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. It is also a great source of vitamin B12, an essential vitamin for healthy brain and nervous system. Also, fish is a major dietary source of omega-3 essential fatty acids, or AFAs, possibly the most important group of nutrients for your brain. Omega-3 essential fatty acids are key structural components of brain cells, membrane and nerve cells. Omega-3 also acts as a strong anti-inflammatory food. This is important since chronic brain inflammation contributes to depression, anxiety, brain fog and ADHD, which is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and even other serious degenerative disorders like dementia and Alzheimer. Eating fatty fish is proven mood booster. Some fish which are high in omega and low in mercury are salmon, herring, sardines, mackerel. Please comment below if we have missed out some of the other brain foods. Thanks for watching.